Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your 3DS model and firmware, because Godmode9 behavior depends on that. Copy the correct Godmode9 payload to the SD root and create a /gm9 folder for scripts. This organizes files and prevents accidental overwrites. Once done, insert the card and boot into the custom CFOs or payload injector. You need to land in the bootloader to run Godmode9. Make sure you have a backup of the system, since the next steps interact directly with NAND. You will boot Godmode9 and see its file browser. This is where precise folder navigation matters. Navigate to the SD card, locate the NAND image, or use the script to dump the CTR NAND to SD. Dumping preserves a recoverable copy. Once the NAND is dumped, mount it to access /title and /AOC content for restoring or modifying. Make sure to verify file sizes and hashes. This prevents bad restores and explains why verification is crucial before any write operations. You perform writes only when you understand each target path. Use Godmode9 copy and paste to write files back to NAND, or use the built-in scripts to restore partitions. After writing, run the verify routine and confirm file size and CRC. This protects you from corruption. If the system fails to boot, power off and restore the original NAND backup from SD. Immediate restoration is often the simplest recovery. One troubleshooting tip: if Godmode9 reports bad blocks, retry on another card and use verified backups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.